An integrated development environment, IDE, is software that consolidates the basic tools needed for software testing and writing. Without IDE, a developer would have to select and manage all these tools separately, but IDE brings all these tools together as a single framework or service. Needless to say, IDE helps a web developer's work to be more precise and quicker. In this video I'm going to explain about the two main IDEs for programming, so at the end I will leave all to you to tell us which is best for you between the two IDEs, I mean Visual Studio and IntelJ IDEA. So, let's start by looking one after another. Welcome. 1. Visual Studio. Which is the best IDE for web development? Visual Studio is certainly toward the top of the list. The Visual Studio IDE is one of the most popular and best IDE web development options available. It uses AI to learn from your edits as you code so it can finish your sentences, lines of code. On top of that, you can collaborate with your team live when you're editing and debugging. You can also share servers, terminals, and comments. Visual Studio supports web, mobile, app, and game development, ASP.NET, Python, Node.js, C++, Unity, as well as support for Azure. You can also create development environments in the cloud and a lot more while being available for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, web, and in the cloud. Here are some of the features of Visual Studio. 1. Integrated GitHub. 2. Automated testing tools. 3. Syntax highlighting. 4. Imported modules and pre-built templates. 5. Build and manage software components. 6. Track and manage all ideas on Kanban or Scrum boards with Agile tools. 7. Improve code quality and catch issues early. 8. Build, manage, secure and share software components. 9. Automate and simplify Azure deployments. 10. Tools for manual, performance and automated testing. 11. It provides a version control system with private repositories. Now let's see another one of the best IDEs. 2. IntelJ IDEA. One of the best IDE for web development, IntelJ IDEA. IntelJ IDEA is certainly one of the best IDE for Java. It focuses on features to help you be as productive as possible without cluttering up the GUI. It indexes your code to give you relevant suggestions and to complete your code for you. IntelJ IDEA also automates several tasks that would otherwise be annoyingly repetitive. It's all that and a bag of chips, computer chips, because it has an amazing out-of-the-box experience and doesn't just have to be used for Java. While it's focused on it, it's still great for SQL, JPQL, HTML, JavaScript, and other languages, including when you inject a language into a string literal. You still get all the benefits of this IDE. Here are some of the features of IntelJ IDEA. 1. Detects duplicate code fragments. 2. Supports Google App Engine, Grails, GWT. 3. Deployment and debugging tools. 4. Code completion. 5. Maintains the flow of programs. 6. It can suggest the name of the class, keywords, and fields. 7. This application supports large varieties of languages like SQL, HTML, and JPQL. 8. It helps you to maintain the flow of the program. 9. IDEA can support numerous built-in tools and frameworks. 10. It allows you to use shortcuts. 11. The software can detect duplicate code. When deciding on an IDE that you want to use, it's essential that you first determine what you need out of it. This is so because each IDE can differ between the features that are offered. That also means your favorite IDE may differ from that of your peers, so just pick the one that works for you at the end of the day. Up to here now you can decide which is the best for you according to your specialization. So, share your opinion in the comment down below. Thanks for watching, let's meet another time.